Okay, there is one more question. Very easy. Read it carefully. The question says, the diagram shows a solid front by joining a cylinder, yes, cylinder, and cylinder to a hemisphere. Yes, there is a hemisphere too. Here it is. And the diameter of a cylinder is 9 centimeter. It's mentioned in a question statement, and height is already mentioned in the question statement, that is 16 centimeter. So the first part says the volume of a hemisphere is equal to the volume of cylinder. Okay, so it means show that the radius of hemisphere is 7.86 centimeter and correct to the 2 decimal places. It means what? It means you have to find the radius, and answer is already given. It should be 7.86 centimeter, right? So as per the given information, it is easy to take a start, and the start is the volume of hemisphere and the volume of cylinder, they both are equal, right? Okay, so it means I can write here volume of hemisphere and volume of cylinder, they both are equal. As we know, in the question statement, volume of sphere, the formula is given, and the formula of the surface area is also given. So we are concerned with the volume of sphere. So volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So what will be the formula of hemisphere, because it is a half of it? So you can say that it will be, you can write the whole formula 4/3 pi r cube, or you can say multiplied by 1/2, right? Means half of it. And volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h. So you can write it as pi r square h. So here you can do the cancellation and get the answer. That will be, let me write 2 here, 2 pi r cube over 3, right? What is the value of r? R of radius of cylinder is what? Radius of cylinder is what? This is the time to identify the r, because diameter is given, that is 9, and half of the diameter is what? Radius. So you can calculate it by dividing it 2, that will be 4.5 centimeter. So I will write 4.5 centimeter as a radius, and h is already given, and that is 16. All right, multiplied by 16. And what about the radius of hemisphere? Hemisphere's radius is what? This is which we have to calculate it, because in the question statement they are also asking, we have to calculate the radius of hemisphere. So I will replace this r with capital R, just to differentiate it. Got it? Okay, now this is the time to just manipulate this algebraic expression, in fact equation. So I will move this all fractional coefficient to another side, and I need to isolate r here, and here you can just observe we can cancel the pi here. So 4.5 square multiplied by 16, and this 2/3 will become 3/2, right? And I'm using this space now. R cube will be, after, let me calculate the question, and the question says that 4.5 square into 16 into 3 and divided by 2. The value is 486. As you know, we need only r here, so we have to take a cube root on both sides. So cube root says 7.86. As in the question statement, it's mentioned to correct to the 2 decimal places, so I just leave the answer here. So it means the radius is 7.86. Clear? All right.